Canton network with my custom indicator set. First of all, guys, I recommend you go to description below and open the brand new free indicator. So it's initiation accumulation pump model. You remember the previous videos about Canton network and many other tokens. So I use my model initiation accumulation pump model for the tokens after listing, when we need just one daily candle close to determine the zones of accumulation, zone of distribution. And previously I drew everything manually with the custom FIB. So you remember the levels and you remember the zones, what I marked here. And so now you just don't need to do the same manually. You just press this one button and everything gonna be added into your chart automatically, and it's amazing. It saves you a lot of time. It just showed you exact first zone of interest, second zone of interest, zone of distribution for swing trades. Brilliant, totally for free. Link will be on the description below. So guys, we consolidate around the 27 level. By the way, take a look. This listing was November 10th, 2025 at the 3 cents. Now the Canton network listed on other exchanges like at BitGet. And like you can see the difference. Of course, I don't think so. The Canton network will drop to the zone of interest now on a BitGet. I usually, in most cases, use the BitGet because it's usually lists the tokens with the lowest listing price. That's why we reduce the risk. So for example, the 0.86 level by FIB based on this model, it's just a last zone of interest on a BitGet. On the Bybit, it's going to be the invalidation of full model, right? That's why, of course, it's better to use the lowest listing prices, but we can't use the BitGet now because we can't erase the history, right? So that's why this is a correct chart, because on the BitGet it's listed just recently. And on the Bybit and many other exchanges, it's listed even in the last year. So guys, all zones relevant. Honestly, I don't think so. We're going to drop to the 7 cents now, the zone of interest, but it's still in play. Still in play. Like you can see, compare the volume. Like you can see, there is no volume now. Not even bearish, not even bullish on a Bybit. Here was a crazy sales. And it was abnormal sales. Like volume 2.39 billions. Volume, imagine, in 24 hours, right? And it's kind of strange why the market not react like in one red candle down. But it was just like order flow with February 27 till 9. So around 10 days, it was a downtrend. That's why it's kind of strange, personally for me, how with this huge volume, we not see the crazy candle down. Even with these candles, for example, here, at least it's like a bounce and a bigger uptrend move, right? So kind of strange behavior now on a chart. Weekly time frame, guys, we also not see the initiation accumulation pump model doesn't work on, I just disabled on weekly time frame, monthly time frame. So it's for daily and the small one. And take a look on a weekly time frame. There's also almost zero volume since this is a weekly, since end of the February, almost zero volume. So if we, of course, compare with the previous one. That's why, guys, the local zones, of course, relevant. If in summer, for example, we will see the downtrend on the BTC and other altcoins, yes, we can form something like global. It's going to be this double bottom for the Canton network with the targets over than 30 cents, I guess. All right. But we also can form, if the BTC, for example, go higher from current prices, what I don't believe, just to be honest. Yes, we can go to 82, 84, but after that, I think we go down. We can form something like this one, impulse, the last impulse up, and after that, the summer going to be the correction. Not because of sales, just because of low volatility, right? And I don't think so. We will see some similar to the DeFi summer of 2017. That's why zone of interest for the spot, for the futures, still in play. To buy now, for me, it's not an option. So there is no setup to buy. For speculation, yes, you can try to speculate, right? But with the proper money management. So now I don't see the setup to buy, just to be honest. So we around the distribution. Let's take a look at the multi. On a daily time frame, we already retested the 50. This is a 200 EMA, I guess. Let me double check. This 200, the red one is 100 EMA. So 50 EMA tested, 100 EMA tested. So it would be good to see, of course, the test of 200 on the daily, right? So it's like a tiny choppy market. Usually when we form something like this one, it ends with an uptrend move, because it's like a hypothetical triangle. The size of this triangle can be, once again, over than 30 cents, but be ready for the deeper correction this summer. Of course, it's just my personal opinion about the summer. Maybe it will not happen, but it is what it is. It's just my personal thoughts about it. Now, yes, it's like a tiny consolidation. We form the triangle, even if we cut all noise, it looks like here, pure triangle. All right, let's take a look at the ADZ direction now. It was a 12 time frame accumulation, daily time frame accumulation without any divergency, no signals to buy on direction indicator. I would recommend you guys use this set and check everything by yourself, so you save the time with alerts and you not miss the entry or exit price zones. So based on the market's mood, guys, so this is just optimism. Now all market just waiting the main direction on the BTC. So I think, yes, my take for the middle of the May, higher, up. And of course, if you would like to open the long now, just, I don't know, try to add a stop loss at least here. So it's a 12% stop loss with second leverage against the I don't know. It's hard to say how high we're going to pump because it's open space over than 20 cents. That's why maybe it makes sense to try it, right? 12% stop loss against the 140, maybe. But just to be honest, Canton network for the future, for the spot position, for the long run, I think it's good. But if we talk about a better entry, now a lot of tokens lay down here at the bottom, not over the distribution zone. That's why, guys, think about which asset you open longs based on risk ratio. Market mood is just a hopium, not hopium, it's optimism. And money power, no money inflow. So it's neutral, not bearish, not bullish. By the way, I added just a brand new also indicator, totally for free. So you can find it in Telegram channel, totally for free. Just type indicator hashtag and you'll find it. So this is a smart money concept indicator. Technically, we broke the break of structure. This was down. So would be good to see the drop to 1254. Let me double check the zone of initiation accumulation zone here. So we can retest it again, the zero level. So this one. The structure on the daily is bearish one. Here. Break of structure. So would be good to see this move and higher. And it's going to be still there. That's the same triangle. The size of the triangle is going to be over than 26 cents. And so this is a favorable gap. Favorable gap where we can come back and close. Weekly time frame, there's no gaps now on a weekly. A 12 time frame, we hide this one. Like you can see, we're just in the range. So one gap and the second one. So just between. For me personally, of course, much more better to drop now and to see the miracle this summer, the green summer. We so rarely see the green summer for the alts. Take profit and trade on. Buy line now on the daily for Canton Networks 10 cents 27. Take profit line is 20.33. All-time high. Exit line is 22.97. And the weekly, unfortunately, there is no data, not yet. Go out and frame the buy line around the same levels, 9.84. Take profit line, 19.66. So like you can see, it's a pure range between the two favorable gaps. And on the daily, the break of structure going down. All right, and the last indicator I already showed you. So guys, write please in the comment, no, not show it. Wait a minute, trade on, guys, trade on. Hold on, sorry. So this was the daily, most important. So what we can see here, the buy, sell, buy back. No signal to take profit. That's why let's add alerts to take profit indicator. I mean, take profit from the trade on indicator. I need to see that close this short position signal or new signal to buy, or at least a recommendation to buy back. Guys, write please in a comment what do you think about the zone of Canton network. If you'd like to trade as my customer, what I showed in this video, just write me DM, and don't forget join my Telegram channel. See you next time.